So here's a nice problem. It combines thermodynamics and electrochem. So they want to know how much energy could be generated from okay. So first thing I'm going to do is calculate the delta G. So the delta G of oxygen is 0. For carbon dioxide gas, it is negative 394. For water liquid, negative 237. And for sugar, it is negative 911. Okay, so then we do products minus the reactants times their molar. So 6 times negative 394 plus 6 times negative 237 minus negative 911. So the Gibbs free energy for this reaction okay. So now what we need to know is delta G is equal to NFE. Okay? We need to know how many electrons are transferred. In order to do that, we need to figure out who's being oxidized and being reduced. So it looks as if the carbon is being oxidized and the oxygen is being reduced. So I'm going to just squeeze this. And then I've got to balance my oxygen, so I've got 12 here and 6 there, so I'm going to need to add 6 waters over here to balance my oxygens, which means then I'm going to have 14 or 12 hydrogen. Ooh, I got lots of hydrogens. 12 and 12 is 24, so I'm going to need 24 H pluses over here, which means I'm going to need 24 electrons. Okay. And then I've got my oxygen becoming H2O. So then I'm going to need a 2 there to balance, 4 H pluses here to balance, and then I'm going to need 4 electrons. So I don't need to multiply the top reaction, but I do need to multiply the bottom reaction by 6. So this becomes 24, 24, 6, and 12. Okay? So the electrons that are being transferred is 24 electrons. So then we go back to our equation up top. Negative 24. Oops, sorry. We're not solving for delta G. We have delta G. So negative 2875. Now this is in kilojoules, so we got to convert it to joules. Okay. It's all about units, as I always say. So that would be the theoretical voltage we could produce from cellular respiration. And scientists do look into this, whether or not, and I suspect eventually we will learn how to use bacteria to perform cellular respiration to create a chemical gradient, which then we'll use to synthesize electricity through an oxidation reduction reaction. It'll be a biological battery instead of a inorganic one, which we have now. So one of you was going to invent that, and then please remember to give me credit as teaching you how to do this. Thank you.